Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you a do-it-yourself project. I will be turning an indoor chandelier into an outdoor chandelier. I'm excited about this project, so let's get started. For this project, I will use 2 cans of Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint in the dark copper color. To protect myself, I have face masks as well as gloves. My glue gun along with Gorilla Glue sticks, which works well on metal and glass. I will also use the E6000 clear industrial strength adhesive. Scissors to cut the velcro into approximately 2-inch strips. Last but not least, my glass votive holders and unscented candles. Let's take a look at this massive chandelier, which I've already disassembled. By the way, my brother found this chandelier, which was put out for trash. He figured it was nice enough for me to do something with it. So big shout out to my brother Alan. Now I will give you a brief description and illustration of the pieces. We have the light bulb sockets and small screws which held them in place. The ceiling cap which hides the wires. The metal rings screw onto the sockets holding the etched glass shade securely in the cup setting. This wiring was weaved through the chain and attached to the electrical box in the ceiling. Hopefully that gives you a little visual of what the chandelier previously looked like. Here is an up-close look of where the light bulb socket was attached and screwed into the cup setting. As you can see the remnants of the wires I had to cut after removing the small screws. This is where I will glue the other piece of Velcro. I trust this video was informative. If you haven't already, check out the other videos in the spring edition of my lawn care and backyard series. A suggested video link to this series has been placed throughout this video in the upper right hand corner of your screen. I have also placed thumbnail links to the series at the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, be blessed.